kids that even go to preschool compared to ones that have zero preschool or zero support at home is tremendous.
All the activities that they learn, their brain is enlarging between 0 and 8 years old more than any other time in their life.
You take two kids who are trying to run a 100-yard dash, and one kid has a 50-yard head start. It's going to be real hard for that kid starting at the starting line to ever catch up with a kid that's already starting halfway there.
Anytime we can all sit down at the table, all the educators, all the parents, community helpers, community people that are voted into the community, it's got to help.
And we're having these conversations, which is good for the Good to Great campaign, having this conversation of what's missing. Where is the disconnect? What can we do better to make sure the kids that are currently in preschool, and start kindergarten ready to learn? We talked about getting parents involved, which parent involvement is a huge part of the educational system.
It's very important for a parent to be involved in their child's education.
We're just going to go out and start knocking on doors. And we're going to start talking to parents about becoming involved in the education part of the children from preschool up through high school.
It lets that child know that my mom loved me and she's very concerned with my education and what I'm doing here at the school.
My program would have a hard time being open if it wasn't for state funding. Now this summer we didn't get the funding for ABC Summer, which we've always got for the last 8 summers. So consequently I had to close the school.
And I would like to see, let's take this to the next level. Let's take it to the next steps. Let's see what we can do at the state level. Let's see if we can get these changes that we talked about that need to happen. Let's see if we can get these things done.
And it's going to be a lot better when the community can come together. And I think we are doing pretty good so far.